Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you union statement in SQL query statements. What is the union and how we are going to using union and why we require to use union. Thus, these type of questions can be answered by viewing this session. And most of the time, we don't know how to join different tables and how to fetch the data. In such time, by making a union operator to fetch the combination of the data rows with the respective column names. How it can be possible? Yes, it is possible by using the union operator. Let's see here what it is. SQL union operator is used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements. See here, the union operator is used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements. It removes duplicate rows between the various select statements. Okay, you strongly remember it is. It removes duplicate rows between the various select statements. Each select statement within the union must have the same number of fields, that is the column names, in the result set within the similar data types. This is absolutely you have to follow while preparing the union statement. Alright, the rules you have to follow for each select statement, the union must have the same number of columns. The fields is nothing but the number of columns it should be impact. And whereas the column data types which you are choosing from the select statement, it should be the same data type only. Then only you will get the proper accurate union of the two columns data as an output. All right, now let's see here, select and the column names from table 1. You have written one select statement for the purpose here, and one more query same like a select query statement you have prepared for table 2, that is select column names based on the, if you are applying for column names, you can that aware of it by making the comma based column names you have to specify there from which table you are going to applying for it. Okay, likewise two SQL statements I have shown here, and using this type of select statement and using union and making select union like a one more statement, you can make a more familiar to as in a basic syntax of select making a union statement with the multiple select statement. It's a statement I am stopping here. Whereas if you want to make it as a more advanced and adding one more select statement, yes, it can be possible. You have to write like a select column name, column underscore name. It is a maybe column 1, column name 1, comma, column 2. Likewise, you have to specify here. All right. From where it is from the table 3. Now it is table 3. Now you can terminate it. Likewise, you can add number of select statements. If you are adding 2, it will consider as a union. If it is a more than 2, you can add applying for the union statement, the operator of union. How it is replying here? It's a very pretty easy. Okay, we'll see now the practically all we have to. And the similar 2 points you have to consider with it. While how many columns you are writing on each statement should be follow the same number of columns like fields, and the result set and the data type of these type of columns to be similar only. Otherwise, you may face like a conversion of the data types and such a type of errors you will be getting the output. Okay, now let's see here. Very simply, I am preparing for two select statements. I know that the same tables I can use like productions from the productions that products and orders that like a sales dot order underscore items. There is a one common data type. I know that that is a product underscore ID, which the column is having. That data type I can take and I can write the simple two like a SQL query statements and making it a union as well as union all also you can try to write. Okay, now let's see here, like select what is this ID? It's product ID, product ID underscore ID from, what is this table name? Production dot product, not permanent. It's not a no. Now one more select statement I can write here. Select. Let's see. This is also column name. It is there at product ID only. Product underscore ID from sales. Name of the table it is sales dot order underscore items. The second column. That's it. Now we have to terminate here. Okay, and in between these two like a SQL query statements, we are adding union statement operator. That's it. The query statement is over with the union. Now select this and say execute. You will get the product ID information with a combination of attaching all the rows. Okay, how many products are there? You will get it all the data. Whereas, and here you can also apply with the union all also it can be applicable. Whereas both are similar, and union all it's getting like see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Likewise, it is giving in a combination of the number. Okay, very much very simple. You will get as a data result set in your way. Try to practice in your local environment of by applying many, so making two statements and applying union all and all. These are the basic rules and understanding you have to know how to prepare for by using the union operator. That's it. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.